To create the second assembly, you're going to go ahead and make a folder, or make a new assembly, excuse me. The first part you're going to bring in is your previous assembly. Do not bring in the parts and assemble them again. Grab the full assembly that you already made and bring that in. The next thing you're going to do is one by one, you're going to bring in each block. So you're going to go to Insert Component, pick your first block. My top corner is the plus sign, so I'm going to do that one first. You will have already downloaded these, and I will place it in my view. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use two mates. The circle I'll only need one, but everything else I'll need two mates. I'll need two non-parallel surfaces, so that edge right there will line up with that edge right there, and I'll accept it. This edge here, even though it's in the shadow, will line up with that edge there. I'm going to only put the two mates on it. I am not going to fully define this. What I want to be able to do is move this so that it goes in. In order to check and make sure my hole is the right size for the block, I'm going to turn on Move Component, turn on Collision Detection, and turn on Stop at Collision. As I move this down, I should be able to freely move it through the hole in the lid. I will move it, and as I watch, it will actually hit the bottom of the box, make a noise, and stop, and it will show lit up in blue where the collision actually is. I should be able to do this with all 6 of my blocks to put them into the toy. I will repeat the last series of steps with each block, inserting it, mating it to align it, and then pushing it through with collision detection turned on. Any blocks that collide with the hole or do not otherwise fit, you must go back to the sketch where you made that hole and fix it so that they match the way they should.